Olá a todos, we are the Renzo Piano Building Workshop team working on Lisbon project. On my right we have Pablo from Spain, on my left there is Heli from US, and I'm Antonio from Italy. So as you can see, we are an international team working on Portugal project, and so far we have been working with another team in Lisbon. So we are dealing every day with exchanging with local architects and international architects from here, and it's our first project in Portugal, and as you may know, it's a big master plan that's led us working on different scales. So we always jump from master plan to details, and it's a really challenge project that thanks to the legacy of the firm that we are working on, we can easily move every day with all the topics that we have to accomplish. And we are basically developing all the phases of this project.
Going from details all the way to the new plots, early concept design, and it's very fluid. We all work together and a lot of collaboration.
This project is a good experience for the overall teams, because we are developing in all the years the knowledge on the design, on the construction in Portugal, and each building seems to be our prototype that can be developed with further phases.